What is going on, everybody? TG here, and I thought we should talk about Ford because I entered a new position in it yesterday, and we're already up a little bit right now. I sold 6 puts for 13 strike price for January. The stock got beaten down yesterday, and I thought it was a great opportunity to jump in on this. Ford posted some amazing earnings as well last week, and I really want to dive into that because they were truly spectacular. If we look at it, they did 13 cents per share when analysts were expecting them to actually lose 3 cents a share, and revenue came in just about normal, 24.13 billion versus estimates of 24.25. And they also raised their expectations for full year adjusted earnings by about 3.5 million to 9 billion, which is huge. So sales volume is expected to increase about over 30% year over year, which is just incredible. One of the big drivers in this is their new EV car, which actually President Biden tweeted out yesterday about talking about how the future is electric. This is huge. This is great. Ford is the American company that everyone loves, and this is going to be a huge winner. The Ford F-150 electric sales are already sold out and continue to get more and more pre-orders as they become available. Talking to Ford, one of the things that they said was the biggest issue is having enough vehicles in stock because everybody wants one. And if you look at it, it's a very cheap stock as well, trading at a PE ratio of 16.22. This is very low, and I expect them to continue to do big things. I mean, again, last earnings quarter was just absolutely spectacular. Huge year-over-year growth on the revenue side, and yeah, these EV cars are going to be something. They're really going to be something. It's a pretty small market cap of only 53.8 billion. Tesla's over 10 times that with a PE of, I don't even know, 50 times that. So again, this is a great opportunity if you want to invest in an EV car play. I definitely recommend Ford because it is so cheap compared to the other EV players. So yeah, I'm going to be holding this thing for a while. I really, really like it. And I can't wait to see what happens. But I do want to know your guys' thoughts. Like I said, I went ahead and sold puts just to be a little bit safer on it. I sold 6 of them, so not much. Only got about $7,000 worth of Ford. But we are up $43 on it already, which is nice. Wanted to do 14. They didn't allow me to do 14, unfortunately. So we sold 6 of them at 13. And if it goes to 13 and to buy it at that, that's a fine price for me. I don't mind that. And if we get up big enough, we'll go ahead and close it out. But really, I like to just let these expire worthless because, I think Ford's going to be well above $13 a share. And we can still get an extra $660 out of these puts. So you might as well do that. And yeah, I think this is a great opportunity. A company that is on the verge of revitalization with their EV market, trading at a ridiculously low valuation compared to competitors, and has just posted a stellar earnings as well. I think this is a great opportunity to get in on this stock. I know I did. I know my dad did. I know a lot of other people are getting into Ford at this price. So again, watch it closely. And I think even in the 13s right now, I think anything in the 13s is a very good deal. But again, if it pulls back like it did yesterday, it could be a great opportunity. I mean, this thing was a couple days ago in the 1420s, dipped down big to 1330s and has rallied about almost 3% since then. So yeah, that's my play. Thought I'd brief you guys on Ford because it is one of my new plays, and I think it's going to be a great one. Historically, this stock has performed pretty darn well. Pretty consistent stock, trading near highs. But at the same time, obviously the stock, it did come down from where it was, 1650. Now we're about 1350. So it did come down about $3. But, that's before this initiative on EVs. And I think that EVs are just going to be huge. And it's going to continue to drive the company and drive the profits. So, again, this earnings quarter just showed that they can still put out good profits despite a chip shortage. And when the chip shortage is over, I think this is going to be great. So, again, let me know your thoughts on this. Discord and link in the description below if you want to talk. And remember to subscribe, it means a ton to me. But you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.